Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make your screen rainbow. First, let's explore digital methods using software or applications. These tools often provide dynamic animated rainbow effects that can be easily customized. Next, we'll discuss physical approaches, which involve adding a colorful overlay to your screen for a more static, yet equally striking, appearance. Finally, I'll share some tips to help you get the most out of your vibrant new display. Get ready to transform your screen into a spectrum of colors. For a digital rainbow, consider using a dedicated software application. Many free and paid options are available, offering dynamic color cycling and customizable patterns. You can often adjust the speed of the color transitions, from a slow, gentle fade to a rapid, energetic pulse. Some advanced programs even allow you to select specific color palettes or create your own unique rainbow sequences. Always download from trusted sources to ensure your device's security. If you prefer a physical approach, consider using a transparent, iridescent film. These films are designed to refract ambient light, producing a stunning rainbow effect directly on your screen's surface. You'll need to carefully measure your display to ensure you purchase the correct size, perhaps within 1 millimeter accuracy. Clean your screen meticulously before applying the film to prevent any air bubbles or dust from getting trapped underneath. This method offers a static, yet vibrant, visual transformation. To truly enhance your rainbow display, experiment with your screen's brightness settings. A slightly lower brightness can sometimes make the colors appear richer and more defined. Also, consider the ambient lighting in your room. Natural light can beautifully interact with physical films, while digital effects shine in any setting. Don't be afraid to try different software settings or film types to discover what you love most. Enjoy your unique and vibrant screen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.